Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates. You all know, if you have come first time in my channel, you can subscribe to get daily job notification as well as interview tips, career guidance as well as different queries of you. I try to solve in our channel. You can check all these videos in our channel. Recently Wipro NNTH exam is going on. You can check the cutoff and syllabus, and also you can check the important topics for the communication test as well as Accenture phase 2 results related queries, Capgemini interview related experience you can check in our channel. So let's start this video. In today's video I'm going to discuss about 3 job notification. Please watch the video till end because I will give the detailed description how you can apply, how you do registration, all details you will get in this video. So let's start this video. First job notification has come from Cisco System. So they are having business analyst intern position. They will also offer the full-time opportunity to you. Cisco is a American multinational company. All of you know, all of you have idea about Cisco, and they are hiring for business analyst intern position. Here the MBA summer intern position they are hiring. The location will be Bangalore, India, and a job type will be intern. The desired candidate required is currently you have to enrolled in master degree program. Basically the batch from business, industrial engineering, operational research, supply chain management or equivalent can apply. So basically you have to have the enrollment in your master degree program, and you have to have minimum CGPA of 3 out of 4, or your grade system is based on 10, then you have to secure 7, then you are eligible. Then click on this apply link. It will definitely go to the career page of Cisco. You can again once again go through the notification there. And why you want to join, because Cisco is a digital transformation company, and through Cisco we have seen lots of day-to-day environment change process in our world. So it's a, if you have passion for technology and if you want world changing, you can join Cisco, and you will definitely get a good salary there, as MBA batch is hiring. So definitely the salary will be more than 4 to 5 LPA. So you can click on the apply button. It will redirect to the application form. You just need to click on your email address and password for sign in, or if you are new user you have to do your registration by using your email address, and then only you will be able to apply for this job. So now we are moving to the next job notification, which has come from Infosys Limited. It's also one industry, renowned IT industry, and Infosys is a IT service company based in Bangalore. The company provides the information infrastructure technology application outsourcing related service. The position trainee associate software engineer they are hiring, and degree required is BTech and MCA batch are eligible. 2021 batch is eligible. Freshers are eligible. CTC they have declared 3.2 LPA. Your working location mainly depends upon these areas like Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai, Pune, Noida, and Hyderabad. If you are belonging from these states, then you need to apply, or you can apply. It's free of cost application. There is no application fees, and basically they are looking for the applicants who have thrive in open and dynamic flexible environment, and the skills they are requiring candidate must be Indian citizen and minimum 60% marks required or 6.3 CGPA in graduation. Candidates should not have any backlogs for participating in hiring this process. BTech MCA graduates from computer science background, information technology background, and electronics and communication background, and telecommunication background, and also electrical and electronics branches of 2021 batch are eligible. Candidate needs to flexible to the work on any role with this application, like application development work or testing work or production support work. Any of this domain work you need to do. So if you're really interested, click on apply link. It will redirect to the career page of Emphasis. There you can check the notification once again, and you just need to click on apply now. Similar process, and if you face any challenge, let me know in the comment box. I will definitely try to solve your doubts like what I have done previously also. So uh, if you click on the apply link, it will definitely open the application form. So So you have to click on I agree, and you have to followed by the further steps, like you have to provide your first name, last name, email address, and your date of birth and contact information. By clicking on continue, you need to create your profile, the full profile, then you need to apply for the job. So this is a simple process. Please let me know if you find any challenge for this website, and let me know. I will definitely try to solve, and you can discuss these problems in our Instagram channel, Job Updates by Verma, and also you can follow us in our Telegram channel. You can subscribe there also. So let's move towards the next job notification, which has come from again Accenture. Accenture is now hiring for associate software engineer position, that is ASE role. Okay, so what you need to do there, you'll be involved in design, build, and test, assemble, support system. So ability to anticipate and resolve business issues with agility is required. Below skills required is a plus point, like basic understanding of ABAP development on HANA, CDS, AMDP performance analysis process, experience or knowledge in configuration and customization of Salesforce.com applications, good working knowledge in advanced Java J2E, and full stack development is plus point. Knowledge and development experience of .NET is another plus point. CTC will vary from 6 to 9 LPA. Okay, so you need to discuss that point with your HR, from whom you will get the interview call. Basically, the required support infrastructure operation, flexibility to relocate for project deployment to any part of the India, work in 24/7 basis, shift basis work, deliver code, time to type, quality expectation, and participate in peer reviews. So if you interested, you then fill the registration forms. Source details you have to provide, like social media advertisement. Then you have to mention your personal details, your university registration number, email ID, mobile number, words of consent, and educational details, personal details like professional details, if you are currently working or not, if you were selected, within how much time you can join, and the skill details, certification details, language details, your preferred job location. So, and also if you have any gap in your education, you have to upload your resume, your photograph, your college ID proof, one government ID proof, and PAN card if you have. Then if you have to upload your PAN card details, and some declarations and consent. Then you need to submit this application. So this is the process. They are again hiring for associate software engineer position. Please let me know if you have any doubt, and I will try to definitely solve the doubt. So thanks, friend, thanks for watching this video. Please share this job news with your friends, and as much as possible you share, the students will get hired by these companies, and the employment will get 100% target of this year. So try to share this news and subscribe our channel to get this type of job notification as well as interview related tips. Thank you, friends.